Look what I've been growing on my balcony. Pineapples. Hey, this one is ready. Let's pick it up. Oh, wow. Now let's taste it. That's nice. Okay, so now let's just take this top off. Whoa! You can plant this on the side. This one, wow, it looks sweet. I wonder if we can eat it. Yeah. Looks good. Wow. Now let's taste it. Let's see if it's good. Wow, super sweet. Amazing. Try it at home. Put this in the soil and wait for 2 years. Good luck. Yum, yum, yum. Bye.